Hello viewers, today my topic is IO Psychology as a Career. This is Unit 1, Session 8 and 9. Topic IO Psychology, Industrial Organization Psychology as a Career. So what is the career involved in Industrial Organization Psychology? Industrial Organization Psychology is a complex and demanding profession that requires university training, practical experience and continuing study to keep aware of new developments. The minimum requirement for working as an IO psychologist is a master degree, which usually degree students work full-time or part-time while in school. The majority of IO graduates find professional job in their specialty areas at competitive salaries in industry, government consulting firms and research organization. So this is the IO psychology as a career. So IO psychology as a career related to those people, IO psychologist working as a human resources consulting firm. So in human resources consulting firm, they are working as a HR manager. Here they develop validation, interview training, assessment center design, performance appraisal system design, career development programs, attitude surveys. They have done these type of jobs in human resource consulting firm. The second one we can call it as a practitioners. Under practitioners, HR and organizational specialist in consulting, private and public organization. Here IO psychologists are doing job analysis, diagnosis, surveying employees, designing, administering, selection and performance appraisal systems, training, developing psychological test, the implementing, evaluating and data analysis. So these are the work they can do by practitioners. The third career is market research, consulting and promotional services firm, research project director. They're working as the research project director also. So social science research includes skills to proposal development, analysis writing and presentation they can do here in market research and research project director. The fourth career is internet. They can work in international airline and they can do the assessment center specialist for overseas development. They coordinate and supervise assessment center for evaluation of employees being considered for promotion, develop assessment materials, make recommendations to improve effectiveness, select and train the staff to become a qualified assessor. So this is the fourth career of the industrial organization psychology. The fifth one is management consulting firm. They act as a senior level manager. Here, oversee the project involving the system approach to training technology and management. They can give the career development training here. The sixth area is human resource research and consulting associates, industrial organizational project manager. So here they work with interdisciplinary staff like psychologists, sociologists, computer science specialists and educators on information systems, test development, survey. So these are all they can work like survey everything and survey design and equal employment issues. So these are all they do these jobs in human resource research consulting. The seventh one is employee decisions consulting firm director of human resources. They can do the job, they can provide the services like counseling, coaching executive candidates for job interviews, they can assessment and test interpretation and career development. They can do these type of jobs here. The eighth area is farm. They can do the work at pharmaceutical firm, manager of psychological services. They can design the psychological strategies for employee testing and job analysis as legal consideration in hiring, research and recommended changes in corporate compensation procedures. They can develop and monitor the performance appraisal practices. So area A number 9 is public utility. Here they can work executive consultant in organization, planning and development sector. They can work with unions, line operations, human resource department, senior management groups and redesign the human resource systems, everything. In any major organization changes is there, they can modify here. So next area is electronics corporation. They can work as an electronics corporation and team leadership and communication trainer. These are they play the significant role in this field also. They implement the self-directed production work teams, train the workers in manufacturing team concepts, their problem-solving techniques, and develop the leadership quality, communications and cooperative decision making, monitor and evaluate the programs, and document results here. The next area is telecommunications company and human resource research internship. They can do telecommunications in telecallers like that and HR in different internship program. So here internship person admitted to doctoral candidacy accredited university conduct the research on human research programs while working the licensed industrial organization psychologist and human resource professionals. Next is state colleges. They can work as assistant professor of psychology. They teach the courses of organization behavior, group process test measurements for graduate and undergraduate research projects. So this is a next area of doing the work. The next area we can call it as a trainer. They act as the work as a trainer. So a trainer is a company instructor or educator who conveys the knowledge and skills to employees. Trainer is play a significant role in educate the workers and what their job's role is, set of expectations and teach them how to maximize the productivity, all those related to the training component. The next area we can call it as a talent management specialist. They can work as a talent management specialist, which means that they develops, implements programs intended to train supervisors and leaders and organizations. These specialists work closely with the organization management to understand what skills, knowledge and experience they need to excel in leadership position. So talent management specialist also plays a very important. The work as a behavioral analyst. Industrial organization psychologist can work as a behavioral analyst. This position focuses on the behavior that can be observed and measured. A behavioral analyst focuses on the describing, understanding, predicting, changing the behavior. They can analyze these four goals of industrial psychology, and they can consider the biological and environmental influence also. That is also very important in behavioral analyst. They can also influence the consumer decisions in the market. The next area we can call it as a human resources practice manager. Already I have told you, here repeated. The next is consultant. A consultant meets with the executives and other leadership positions to review the organization, development, training, management changes, staff evaluation, etc. A consultant may run their own consulting practice or work for a larger consulting firm. They can work, they can run only, or they can join other company also. The last one we can call it as a research analyst. A research analyst organizes the research projects, works closely with the project teams. They analyze the data and make the recommendation based on their findings. They may write articles for academic journals and trade magazines. So this is the job of the research analyst. The next one is IBO psychologists served universities, consulting firms, government, private companies. Next, the industrial organization psychologist teaching the courses, conducting research, as already I have told you, writing article, presenting research paper, attending conferences, mentoring the students, perform the university and professional services. So these are the career related to IBO psychology. Hopefully all of you understood. So coming to the revision of the IO psychology as a career, as I told you, it is related to human resource. IO psychology work as a human resources practitioner, communication trainer, assistant professor of psychology, trainer, talent management specialist, behavioral analyst, consultant, research analyst, industrial organization project manager, manager of psychological services. So these are the career related to IO psychology or industrial organization psychology. Thank you for watching.